What's going on, guys? Steve here from Adventure Off-Road X with a space-saving tool. This tool is made by Defiance tools. I came across them at an overlanding event here in Florida, and if you get a chance, check them out. They have some really cool stuff. This particular space-saving tool comes out. It's a pair of tongs. It's a spatula. It's a fork. It's a knife. Bottle opener. It's pretty much an all-in-one tool. It all folds up to itself and folds back out. It comes in handy, especially if you're trying to save a little space and not have to bring everything with you. But if you get a chance, I urge you to check them out. It's Defiance Tools.